nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups ain't shy,
Okay, today it's me and Moxie. Look at Mox. See her back there? Going on a little pre-Christmas adventure, but locally in town because I don't really have time to be going anywhere. So we're gonna go down to southern Colorado, which is my favorite part of Colorado, and do some filming. Let's see what we can find. Show you some interesting stuff down there.
Oh my God, you look like Tarzan.
Fuck that shit, listen, ayy, look, cash flowing, pockets growing, wake up, bless every morning, just in case y'all didn't notice, I'm the fucking shit up in this bitch and everybody knows it. Cash flowing, pockets growing, wake up, bless every morning, just in case y'all didn't notice, I'm the fucking shit up in this bitch and everybody knows it. You know it's me again. Walking to the party, I'm fresh, clean, and I'm elegant. Brand new suit, I smell like money, that Gucci scent. Drinking Casamigos with bitches that can't afford the rent. Running it back up, I got drunk, woke up in Phoenix. Scottsdale women, I swear that pussy the meanest. I think it's like a drug, I fuck her once and she fiending on me, shooting all these slugs. That good pussy, I need it.